Hi everyone, welcome to Vlogoween day 7. So I actually don't feel like putting on makeup today. I usually whenever I wear my glasses, it's usually because my eyes are irritated. So I just don't want to even put any makeup on today. So I'm just gonna go with this look today. I wanted to talk about, I had the weirdest dream last night. I had a dream I had gone to Target and I had bought this chair, and it was kind of like a fancy Victorian looking chair, but it was like a Halloween prop chair, and it makes it look like you levitate or something. This is the weirdest dream ever. But anyway, I bought the chair and I didn't even look at the price at all. And so I buy it and I go home and I open it and I put it in my house, and I think it's like the coolest thing ever. And then I happen to go back and look at my Target receipt, and it was like $500, and I was freaking out because I was like, oh my god, is Target gonna let me return this chair? And it was the weirdest dream ever. What does that mean? I'm sure it has something to do with me worrying about my finances, but every once in a while I have a crazy dream like that, and then I'll look up dreammeanings.com or something stupid, and I'm like, oh, that's totally accurate. So yeah, I'm gonna have to look up and see what that means. I think I'm worried about my finances. But yeah, I just thought that was a funny thing that I would throw in here. It's funny how much more time I have in the morning when I don't have to put makeup on, because I just spent the last 15 minutes tidying up my house a little bit that desperately needed it. So at least there's one good thing about not wasting my time putting on makeup. This was a little bit productive this morning, but anyway, I am just gonna head to work now, and like I said, hopefully get through another day of work and come home and make soap. That's kind of one of my main priorities today. I really need to get it done. Otherwise I won't get to do it till next week. So yeah, I am just gonna head to work now.
Good morning, Wally. This is my other cat, Wally. I don't think I've shown him yet, but he is a sweetie. He's our outdoor kitty cat. Bye, baby.
Oh, I just got home and I came home to a couple packages. I think one of them might be a birthday gift, so I'm gonna open that now and see what it is.
Don't you love whenever you see this on a package from post office? Hopefully whatever is inside is not damaged, but we will see. Okay, what's it gonna be? I can already see a lot of cute stuff in here, these little worms. Oh, I think I know what this is. Oh, I love face masks. So this one is ooh, I didn't know Burt's Bees made ones. Got that. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, I love these snacks. Oh my god, I've never seen these ones before. These are the sour cream and onion ones. So this is a gift from my brother and my sister-in-law, and she knows that I do keto and I love these snacks. So I've never seen these sour cream and onion ones, but those are my favorite types of chips. Oh my god, I love these. Okay, so the next thing I got in here, what are these? Oh, spearmint gum chewing gum. Cool. Cute. I've never seen this brand before. Whole bunch of little goodies in here. Oh my god, we love Cards Against Humanity, and we are going to go crazy with this. So it looks like we got the food pack and the AI pack. So oh my god, I can't wait to play. Can I see something else in here? Oh, that was so nice of them. Save this and go out to eat sometime. Oh, that's so sweet of them. Oh my god, these oh my gosh, these are pink fuzzy hair clips. Oh my gosh, I don't know where she finds this stuff. This is so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's even more. There's teeny. Oh my god, you guys. Teeny tiny Uno. We love Uno as well. We are a board game family. Oh my god, teeny tiny Uno is hilarious. Oh my god, I can't wait to play this with them. That is going to be so funny. All right, and the last thing I see here, oh, looks like some more Burt's Bees. This is the Mango Lip Balm. Yes, please. I have the world's driest lips in the world, and you can never have enough. And this is a really good brand. I really like Burt's Bees. So, oh my gosh. That is so much fun. Okay, so I'm going to read this card off camera, and I've got a few birthday calls to make to thank them. I also got this giant box in the mail, another birthday gift, I hope. Actually, I'm just kidding. This is actually something I bought myself. It's kind of like a fun thing, but not really. It's basically, just to give you a quick idea, let me open this up and share it with you guys. Ta-da! It is none other than a whole bunch of photo boxes for storage. It's actually not that fun, but I really like these little black photo boxes, and I got quite a few of them. So as you can see, how big the box is, I got a whole bunch of these, and I like to use these to actually organize all my crafts. Let me show you real quick. So I'm still in the middle of organizing, but these are some of the ones I already had. The one thing that bothers me is that these are mix match now, because I have these I think I might have got from Michael's, and I think those are from Hobby Lobby. But basically I have so many different crafts and I have so much stuff. This is like the best way I can possibly organize it in a way that doesn't look completely terrible. I just have these old bookshelves, but I at least kind of like the look of this more than just having stuff all over the place like this. So yeah, I'm going to probably organize my shelf, but not today because I've got soap to make. But yeah, I got a whole bunch of these little ones. These are just like the regular ones. I think these were like $2.99. And then I also got just a couple of the 12 by 12 boxes. These are good for storing paper, just larger stuff. And these were $4.99. But if I show you 2 of the 12s across the top, and that will be good for like storing extra big stuff there. But yeah, I kind of like organizing, and this is going to be a nightmare to tackle, but I do have so much junk here that just needs to get organized, and it will be so much better and a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. But yeah, I would love to start organizing that now, but I just don't think I will have the time to do that because with all the soap making stuff, that's a pretty time sink project. It'll probably take me, I don't know, anywhere from like 2 to 3 hours to do my soap. So hopefully if I have time after that, I can organize some stuff. But for now, we're about to make some soap. But first I gotta eat. I'm starving. All right, so this is how the little soaps turned out. I think these look so adorable. I really, really love it. I tried to film some of the process of me making the soap, but honestly, it was just way too hard. This is the final product. I really, really love it so much. I can't wait to cut these open and see kind of the confetti design on the inside, but for now, oh my gosh, I am in love. So I love how the soap turned out. It was definitely, it gave me a little bit more problems than usual, and it took a lot longer than usual as well. I was trying to like film some clips and stuff of it, but honestly, like I didn't have good angles. It wasn't working out. As far as the finished product of the soap so far, I think it's just absolutely adorable. I can't wait to see the full effect. Probably Sunday nights when I'm going to be able to cut them open and actually see them. But yeah, I had a lot of fun doing that. I don't know how long today's video is going to be. I feel like it's not going to be very long. And one thing I really wanted to throw in here just really quickly, I know it gets really annoying when you hear YouTubers say that, but if you are watching the series and you like it or my videos in general,
Leaving comments and liking the video really does so much to help a video. I know you hear it 1,000 times, but it really, truly, honestly does. And I would greatly appreciate it if you left me a comment and we could discuss or chat. But if you don't have time for that, just a little like really does so much. So if you really enjoy watching YouTubers' videos, just give it a quick like. It really does so much for a channel. Okay, I don't want to be annoying, but that is pretty much it for today's video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.